Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Happy birthday to you.
Mama, make a wish and blow out the candles.
All right.
Don't tell. Don't wish. It won't come true.
All right. I don't do wishes. I do prayers.
Okay. Prayer.
Okay. Ready? Go.
We were making a crazy cake for Mama's birthday. It does not take any eggs,
Chocolate
any
cake.
milk, or any butter. When we
No, it does take butter. No eggs or milk.
No eggs or milk.
Yeah. First, what we need to do is melt our butter. We need melted butter. Put
I'll
that
get
right in the
them
pan.
out. I put it on the stove.
No, just open your... There we go. For the stove, we don't want to cook it, we just want to melt it. We need to add all our dry ingredients together. 3 cups of flour.
Put it in here.
Get poured into the cups there. And let's see, hang on. Let me shake it this way. We up close to the 3 now?
Yep.
All right.
Right on. I need to go over on you. I thought that was going to be a big scoop. Sugar.
Sugar, there we go. I know my printing
pour
is
it.
not the...
I'll pour it.
I hope this is sugar, but not much salt.
I'll pour it. It's sugar.
It is? Okay.
I saw Mama use
Liquid.
it.
I tell you what, let Zeb put it in the
Big jar.
jar and you pour it in.
Pour it over.
That's a good cup and a half.
One more.
No,
Here you go.
pour that in. Okay, there's...
Let's see. 2 plus spoon baking soda.
Plus 2 tablespoons.
Tablespoons.
Tablespoons or teaspoons?
Teaspoon.
Teaspoons.
Here, RJ. Or Mama, here.
Just 1. I'll get 1 more for us.
I only
You
need
pour
2.
it in there.
I'll pour everything in.
And there's 2. All right, good.
Look, Daddy.
Let's get
We
rid
use
of
it to do this because there's no weight. 1 batch
Pinch.
salt. I'll
You get a
put
little. No, you just get a pinch. Yep. Simeon, you get a pinch also.
This said 1 pinch.
Well, I know, but you guys have like a half a pinch.
Oh.
So, yeah.
So I'll be closer and it'll be easier.
Okay, there's salt. What's next?
1 cup cocoa.
Daddy's not as nearly as proficient now. Hang on, as Mama is in the kitchen.
I need to get close.
Oh,
This will go in the.
yeah, let's see here.
Let's use a spoon.
Okay, let go.
You know what
Yeah,
I see
that
baking
goes.
in there is all kinds of cuteness.
Okay, we've got all our dry goods in there, right?
No, I think we stir it up.
There we go. Very good.
That's your
Everything
sand.
looks stirred up real
That's
nice.
your sand.
Okay, up down please. 2 teaspoons of
Vinegar. Is this a
Of,
teaspoon? Vinegar.
gingerberry kombucha.
Vinegar.
Yeah, you'll get this. Okay.
It's actually vinegar.
Okay.
Daddy, may I pour the vinegar in?
1.
May I pour the sand vinegar?
No, Dave's gonna get the vinegar. Just.
Hey, it's alive. Hey, Daddy, it's glowing. It's alive. Daddy, it's glowing.
Uh-oh, it's reacting with the baking soda.
May I pour it in?
Yes. Just a little bit of that.
May I
Yeah,
smell
just pour it right in.
first?
Just pour it in, please.
1 cup melted butter. I'll
Okay.
pour
Now
that.
this is warm because we had it on the stove. So Daddy's gonna pour it in.
That'll
Okay.
probably do the Is that all a cup?
Yep, that's a cup. All that goodness.
Hey, Daddy, that big drop there is the Archangel boulders, and this here's the flood.
And what's the last one on our list?
The last one, 2 cups wet water.
Hang on, Zeb, do I have the right amount?
You went overboard.
Did
I think you did. You get
Is it
2
on
cups.
2 cups? Well, isn't that what it says?
Yeah, sorry.
2 cups.
That was
Okay.
1 cup. Oh, can I stir first, Daddy? Now that
me-
big drop, there's the art.
Let me get you a
Bigger spoon.
wooden spoon.
Oh, and Daddy, after him, yeah, I stir.
Yes, you may. Just we got to go very easy with it for a minute, so we don't splash everything all over.
Trying to taste because there's no. There's no
Okay, let
eggs.
Simeon stir for just a minute, Zeb.
There's no eggs.
No eggs.
One good thing about this, your children can make it. No eggs. I'm trying. Why didn't I be eating a depressing white taste?
Scrape it in there. What size pan do we have here, guys?
Cake size?
Cake size pan. It's a cake size pan.
But Daddy, me, I with the spoon.
We'll see when we're done. Okay, let's get it into the pan.
Then I'll
Easy, easy.
Then I'll with it.
Cake's done.
Daddy,
Yeah,
is Tracy cake done?
not yet.
And then come down and say.
Okay. What have you got all over your face?
Crazy cake batter.
What is it?
Crazy cake batter.
Crazy cake batter.
Hot, guys.
Is it done, Mama? Hey,
no,
what is
It's
the
hot.
monster?
It's close, but not quite.
Close, but not quite.
Here's my time-saving device.
Stay up there.
I abuse your time.
But you saved me on more than one occasion. Wasn't that sweet?
That's
That was sweet.
That was
Mom's
sweet.
right there.
Boys.
I got you a point. Well, I got you points.
Those were some points.
That was some points. Look at that.
That looks like beautiful buttercream frosting.
When
God,
we have a
let's-
taste.
All right,
Hey,
that's Daddy's taste.
that's Daddy's taste.
Now
Just
listen,
take a little.
we're all family.
Just a little sample. Just a little sample.
And you know what they say about double dipping? It's made with love.
All right. Go ahead.
Delicious.
That is one beautiful looking cake. Moist, airy, and it all stayed in the pan when you cooked it.
Good. It's a
Taught
success.
Daddy a thing or two, huh?
Yeah, me and Simmie made the cake.
Let's put, I think
Daddy,
we're
too.
overachieving.
You guys did a good job.